What's that I can hear? You called me crazy. One S58 fully rebuilt. Bottom end is good for 2,000 horsepower. 1,000 horsepower build has been done. It's all running. We're getting it up to temperature. We'll be driving it off the ramp tomorrow, baby. And then it's tune-in time. Told you we could do it. Thanks to my team and thanks to you guys for believing in me. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry we've been a bit quiet, but we've been very, very busy. I've not done any more content on the G81 for now because I've got a massive surprise coming for you next week. The car runs, but we are just waiting for some more components to make it even better. So I'll give you a quick flash. It's still on the ramp, but that's all you're getting. Furthermore, let's talk about this beautiful Dravit grey G81 that's come in today for the OPF delete because it's had the single mid-pipe. And it's also had the CSL software, which enhances the steering and the suspension. Look at the interior. I don't even know what color that is. It looks like a navy blue kind of color. It's awesome. And yes, it's got the empty spec on it. So it's got carbon bucket seats, carbon ceramic brakes. Better still, it's got the bigger wheels on it. So it's got the 21s on the rear and the 20s on the front. Dravit grey, wrapped in carbon, and it's the M Performance kit as well this has got on it, and it's got the I Must Kill You Terminator back box on it, M Performance. Quick fun fact about these, they don't come like that from the factory, apparently. You have to have these fitted at a BMW workshop or at Gtech Motorworks, because we did one a few weeks ago for my mate Dan. But yeah, they don't come from BMW like that. You have to add on accessory and you have to have them fitted. But just look at it, Dravit grey, wrapped in carbon, any back box on it. It's even got the mud flaps like mine. The car's sick, man. And now hopefully the customer will be even happier because it's got the CSL flash on it. So there you have it, guys. I do want to talk about the International Autosport show. I promise you we will come back to the G81. Just give them another quick flick, let them have a look at it. They've missed it. We will talk about the G81, but now, most importantly, me and Craig are going to be at Birmingham NEC this week on the Vulcan Alpha stand. Let's have a look around the weapon. Craig, bless him, has got the weapon ready. Just giving it a little fettle, a quick clean, and a little surprise for you guys. Check this. Look at them.
Bit of yellow glow.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
We are ready. Are you excited for tomorrow?
I'm buzzing.
Craig?
I am. Game on.
Been NEC before?
Yeah. Yeah,
loads of times, haven't you?
It's been a while. Not had time with family.
Have you ever had one of our cars on the stand before?
No, different story.
Thank you to my boys at Vulcan Alpha and Misha especially for inviting us along. Appreciate that. We're ready. The car's ready. We're locked and loaded, and we'll be making our way to Birmingham NEC tomorrow with the weapon. It will be on stand. So if you guys are there or you're going to the event, please pop along to Vulcan Alpha stand. The weapon will be there. So will this beast. So will I. We can have a chat to you about Gtech Motorworks and Gtech Motorsports. Come and speak to us about the G81 and the weapon. You can have a look around it. And most importantly, the big wang. You can see it in person and see how big it is. We're going to go home now because it is, 25 past 5 in the evening or afternoon, shall I say. And we're gonna go home and then we'll see you when we're offloading this at the NEC.
Peace.
Recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a peep, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like.
As soon as I entered, I felt like doing donuts in here. The space is absolutely massive. So all the different Autosport people are going to be landing here. setting up their stalls and stands. And yeah, it's going to be a great event for the next 4 days. The weapon just looks hard, man. Look how sick it looks. Not just saying it because it's my car, it looks absolutely awesome. What a machine. You like the yellow DRLs? Comment below if you do, man. They look sick. So here we are, guys. The team is setting everything up. This is Zustal. These are the ones who made the uprights for the weapon. So these bad boys here. In fact, Tara is the one who actually made them. Wasn't it, Tara? It was you that made them. Big, say hi to my viewers. So this is Tara. What was your name, mate? Gregor, yeah? Hi. And you all know me, it's Simty. They also own Novus Racing Sims as well, guys. So once this is set up, we are going to be having a look at this. This is the same one as I tested at Misha's place. It was quite difficult to drive, but he's going to change the settings for me. And this is the lovely Diana. Say hi, Diana.
Hello, everybody.
She orchestrated this whole thing. Trust me, she was controlling me, Misha, Lapo, Gio, every single person. But we're here, and that is Gio. Gio's a legend. Say hi, Gio. Gio's currently fixing this table that we've brought here so we can get it all set up. So yeah, currently we're just giving the weapon a clean. We're going to be setting everything up, helping the team, making sure it's all set up. Then we look forward to seeing you guys. So here's the weapon. Craig, how you getting on, mate?
Beautiful. Little fettle here and there.
Little fettle here and there. Excellent. Man, we've had a busy day setting our stall up with Vulcan Alpha. The weapon now resides in the Birmingham NEC, ready for the main event over the weekend. I do look forward to seeing you guys, so please, if you are coming to the NEC event, we will be in Hall 4 on the Vulcan Alpha stand, 4732. Come and see us, come and see some of the great cars our partners have got, and definitely come and have a look at Vulcan Alpha stand, because you'll see some of the baddest wings on the planet Earth. Stay tuned, bare content coming out now. I promise I'll be back with the G81 real soon. It will be worth the wait. Catch you soon, like, share and subscribe. See you for the next episode.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding.